Dear passengers, welcome aboard the little train K3418. This train will pass through Snow Mountain, desert, grassland. The train is about to depart. Please sit tight and hold on. Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Examine the luggage. Utility knife. Hammer. Firecrackers! Well done! You found all the dangerous items! It's so cold! Please help me put on a warm coat and gloves. It's so cold! Please help me put on a warm coat and gloves. Now I'm ready. Let's go and build a snowman. Roll the snowball to make it bigger. Great! Now we've made the body of the snowman. Next, let's find some branches to make the snowman's arms. Find some branches to make the arms for the snowman. Slide the screen to wipe the snow off. Wow! You found all the branches! Drag the branches and stick them in the snowball. Let's choose a pair of beautiful eyes for the snowman. The snowman will look better with a nose. Finally, let's add some decorations to it. Wow! You've made a beautiful snowman! The train is about to turn. Which way do you want to go? We are arriving at the loading area. Please load the goods onto the train. Tap the button to lift the goods in the box. Great! You've loaded the goods! Uh-oh, the track ahead is disconnected. Choose the correct track to connect it. Good job! You fixed the track! We are arriving at the delivery spot. Please put the goods into the lift truck. Drag the goods into the lift truck. Thank you for the delivery.
Let's have a sandboarding race!
Candy. Kiki. White sheep.
Yeah!
Ready. Slide up to avoid obstacles.
Go, go, go! Go, go, go!
Great! You finished the race. Let's attend the presentation of prizes. Awesome! You're the first place. Milk. Butter. Salt. Cup of milk tea. I'm so full! The food here is so good! You've reached the finish line. Time to draw a prize. Cool, it's a new skin. Wow, the car leveled up. All the cars are ready. Choose your favorite one.